When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Well, that's a popular song and many of you sing it. But do you know that that's just half truth? When Jesus says yes, he needs your yes. You have to agree with him. You have to agree with him. He can say yes, and when you say no, it's no in your life. You have a responsibility to settle the word of God in your life. Discover how in today's Rhapsody Realities. Go ahead, click, and study your Rhapsody Realities today. This will be a good day for you to become a partner with us in distributing the Rhapsody Realities all around the world. No matter what country you are in, you can be a part of this. Use the details showing on the screen and just click and become a partner today. And also, you can download the Rhapsody Realities app and share it with others. Remember, this is Rhapsody Clicks. You're going to have a great day. God bless you.